Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathnari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics data analysis and data visualization related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Okay, now we are the discussion for the topic how to draw a network plot in OriginPro software. So what is the network plot? Network plot are graphical representations of relationship or interactions among entities called nodes connected by edges or links. In biological science and biostatistics, this plot are powerful tool to explore complex relationship in data like genes, proteins, species or ecological interactions. What are network plots? Nodes, entities, example for genes, species, individuals, variables. Edges, a relationship or interactions, example for correlations, physical interactions, co-occurrence pathways. They can be directed with arrows showing directions of effect or undirected showing mutual association. Weighted trigger edges for stronger links and static or dynamic. Let's go to the open for OriginPro software. The data already entered in the OriginPro workspace. We take the dataset for the microbial abundance dataset. Total 20 different samples and identified for the total 10 species, different species. The how to draw a network plot in OriginPro before the data analyzed for the correlations coefficients. So first of all, the data analyzed in correlations coefficients. So select the data for the taxonomic only. So the B species 1, 2 and K. So used for the shift key, select for the species 1, 2 and species 10. Selected the total 10 species and go to the statistics menu. Selected for the descriptive statistics and selected for the correlation coefficients. Open dialog. Click to the options. Open the new tab for the correlation coefficients. So recalculate selected for the manual and the correlation type for the analyzed in the Pearson. Then exclude the missing value for the pairwise and then click to the OK button. Now our data analyzed for the correlation coefficients. Then go to the move to the last tab for the Pearson tab. Then selected for the whole the table. So select for the corner in the table. Select the whole the table. Go to the plot menu and go to the categorical options. Select to the network plot. Then open the new tab for the network plot options. So the data type for the Argentine matrix and the value for the conditions I selected for the all the values. So if you want any particular correlation value for the -1 to +1 or between for the -1 to +1, or if you want the positive correlation data, if you want the negative correlation data, or particular selected for the highly correlated or moderated correlated, low correlated, any one option choose for these options. If you want all the data, select the all. Between for the option selected from to, if you want the 0. minus 0.4 to 0.2. This is for the between correlation -2 +2 and are not between options, and the greater than for the 0.80 or 0.60, any one option selected for the, this is the positive greater than, this is for the negative greater than. So the next one for the greater than to equal options, and less than same for the greater than, less than to equal. I selected for the all the correlation for the positive and negative. So then weighted column selected, and the matrix value mode for the minimum value I selected. If you want the upper grade value, lower grade value, minimum, maximum and plus, I selected for the minimum. And node row options for the selected for the column label, and column label selected for the log name for the species name, and the node column selected for the first one column in the worksheet options, and the layout method options for the network plot. Totally then different type of the total 9 different type of the method available for the OriginPro software. The first one for the fragment Reingold options is a common for the all the data set analyzed. If you want any particular data selected for the MDS trees cycles, any specific for the your data set selected for the particular method options. Then method 9 method options I will explain for the our Blacker post, which one type used for the which type of the data. Okay, if you want the detail, please visit to our Blacker page, and the page link mentioned to the this video description box. Okay, I selected for the first one options, then click to the OK button. So now the created for the network plot in the OriginPro. Now customized for the network plot in OriginPro. Double click on the graph, then open the plot detail for the plot properties options. First one for the symbol options, so the species symbol options. So symbol size for the different size available. So 30 for the increase the size, I selected for the 24 the standard. So the scaling factor also the no changes, and size of the based on also no changes, and thickness of the edge for the species in the circle then 1, and edges color for selected for the manual in black, and fill color selected for the green. Okay, the next one for the this is a transparency options. If you want increase to the decrease the transparency and increase for the color. If you want to increase the transparency and decrease for the color, so the transparency is selected. Next one for the line for the connecting in the taxon 422 and anyone connected the lines. So the style of the solid and which for the width selected for the 2. Okay, then color selected for the bypoint options. Go to the color mapping and selected for the column C weight, then apply, then go to the color map options, then edit for the color, and loaded plot selected, select the plants and selected for the marble, then click to the OK, then apply it. The change color for the connecting line, the color difference, then go to the label options, and the font type and font size change. So I selected for the Time Roman, font size is a 14, then click to the bold, then apply. Okay, then now added for the scaling options. So add to the color scale is the one of the important in the network plot. So the value for the different value, different color mention the color scale options. Click to the color scale options. This is a color scale option. Click to the 2 digit. Okay, and change to the font style, label options, Go to the font, select the Time Roman, then apply, then click to the OK. So this is for the red color, the high value in the highly correlated 0.45, and the green color is a minus 0.56 is a correlation value. And the interpretation of the network plot in OriginPro I will upload for the another one video. That video link also mentioned to the this video description box. Any doubt on this network plot for the OriginPro, please leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.